Hey everybody, this is going to be a very short video. I made 4 short little videos sharing with you how I harvested 9 pounds of muscadines that I grew in my organic food forest and how I made some wine. This is the last installment of how to make wine. Racking the wine into this carboy from this carboy. And I'm hoping this will be my last time because it's looking really clear. And what I've learned from doing this the first time is you cannot rush the process. And these are heavy to pick up, so if I'm out of breath, yeah, that was heavy. But it's looking really, really good. Hopefully, I'll be able to bottle this wine up. I'm gonna let it rest one more week. I'm gonna save this video, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like. Each time you rack it, what you're trying to do is not to get any of the septiment at the bottom, okay? And each time it's less and less. I think this is going to be the last time. But I'm going to stop it when it gets to right there where the circle, where the hose beginning is. That will ensure me that I don't get any of it into here. It's been a long process. I'm very excited about it. As you can see, I mixed all of the wines together. The ones that were made from the seeds and the peels and the pulp had a little bit more red color to it. But when I rack this up, it's going to be a real light pink, like what you see going through the hose. Well, as you can see here, I poured me a glass of wine. And man, oh man, oh man, it is absolutely delicious. So all of my children will get a couple of bottles and a few special friends. Please keep in mind that this is the first time that I attempted to make wine, and I'm very happy with the results. And going forward, I would document the procedure better. I even purchased a hydrometer so I can know the alcohol content in the wine at every step of the procedure. And I also want to give a shout out to my oldest son, Floyd Moss III, aka Trey, for buying me the first 2 wine kits for Christmas a few years ago. So I'm going to make sure that Trey gets the first bottle. But this is just the beginning, guys, because I have a lot of fruit trees in my organic food forest, and I plan to make all types of wine: strawberry, pear, peaches, nectarines. I have several varieties of plum trees and about 5 different varieties of apple trees. So I'm going to be doing a lot of experimenting. And I'll share those experiments with you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye now.